think we need some chocolate for the cake. And we need another egg in there as well. What? Will you pour some milk in there for me? Only a little bit, small some. Oh, that's a... This is my granny's recipe. Your granny is gonna love this. Well, we've had a great day, but it's time to go home. Yeah. Bye.
Wait.
Wait.
We need one more thing for the perfect birthday party.
Of course. I've one more delivery. A present. Wait here.
A present.
Here, a present.
Photo.
Where's the photo?
Don't worry. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Granny's recipe. Now it's time to hide.
Where is everybody?
This is the best present ever.
Daddy.
I love you. This, Daddy, go!
Hands up.
Hello.
Hello. Here comes Joe. Grab the partials now.